Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another signature curly fro. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and you know we are going to go ahead and section our hair off into 4 sections because that just makes things a little bit more manageable. I am going to spritz my hair with some water. Adding water allows the product to kind of stretch and go a long way. However, sometimes I'm still heavy-handed, and I was definitely heavy-handed with the leave-in conditioner today. So do not be like me. Make sure you are being modest with your leave-in conditioners, because if you put too much on and you're layering products on top like I am doing today, sometimes it will leave a product residue in the hair that will look like it's dandruff or flaking, but it's really you just added too much product. And that definitely happened to me, but it did not mess with the results of my hair today. So be modest, don't add too much to avoid that extra product residue. I personally like to go ahead and add the leave-in conditioner all over my hair just because the hair is mostly damp, even though I am adding water, but I like for the hair to go ahead and get a little bit of moisture in it before some of the water dries up, and it makes the twisting process a lot easier because my hair is already moisturized for the most part and it is detangled. Of course, we go for medium-sized sections, and today we're using this Buttercream Daily Moisturizer by TGIN. If you know, you know this product has definitely been around for a long time, and I decided to give it another try because it is usually a thicker consistency product that focuses a lot on moisture. I am topping it off with a little bit of this mousse by the Dew. Sometimes I have a love-hate relationship with the Dew sometimes because it really gives good definition, but sometimes I don't know if it makes my scalp itch. So I am still trying to assess that situation, but I'm also figuring out some scalp stuff anyway, but I'll keep you all updated on that. But for now, the results came out really amazing with this 3-product combination. Do you really need 3 products? I don't think so, but I definitely tried it today. I do believe that this cream by itself by TGIN could definitely work, and I'm calling it TGIN, but I honestly do not know how to really pronounce it, but that's just what goes on in my head. But for me, it's very moisturizing. I like to see that curl definition pop. That's usually how I know if my hair is responding to the products I am using. For the twisting, I am twisting very neatly as much as I can, because when I take down these flat twists, I want as minimum frizz as possible. And as you all can see here, I do make sure that I detangle as I am twisting down. Now we're going to continue this process all over my head, doing these flat twists in layers and making sure that I am detangling the hair, especially as I get to the ends for the 2-strand twist part. And you all know by now I love to give a little bang action these days with just the way my hair is cut and how my curls fall. So I like to do these flat twists in the front, going to the front, so in the direction of the front for me. I'm following the same steps with layering the 3 products, which of course we started off with the leave-in, then the buttercream, and then the mousse. And I twist neatly all the way down to the front of my face to frame my face for a bang look. To frame my face in the front, I am going to add a roller for those 2 twists that are right above my forehead. I do not roll it all the way up to the roots, but kind of stop a little bit below my eyebrows, and that gives the perfect bang look for me. And of course, I repeated the same thing on the other side in the front, and here's what my hair is looking like. Very similar to the last video that you all saw with the flat twist, but again, this time I feel like I achieved a whole lot more moisture. So of course, you need to sit up under the dryer. I sat up under the dryer for a full hour because I definitely had somewhere to go the next day, and I did not want this hairstyle to go to waste. So I'm adding my Olaplex oil. As you all can see, I probably need to re-up on that oil, and I'm just rubbing it on top of my hair strands just for a little bit of shine and to make this takedown process as easy as possible. For the takedown process, we are just going to unravel those flat twists and definitely separate those curls as we move forward up the length of the flat twist. And one thing I really love about flat twists that you all probably hear me rave about all the time is the fact that you do not have to worry about fluffing or doing additional separating when you do this hairstyle, because basically the flat twist does it for you. So if you are one of those people who like to do your hair at the beginning of the week and you usually like take your hair out on Monday mornings for work or for school or whatever it may be, you really like have a very simple takedown process. Usually for me, it takes less than 15 minutes for me to remove my flat twist, because when I set my hair up under the dryer, I typically do not have to worry about a whole lot of frizz. Now I do have to fluff with my fingers, just lifting the roots a little bit just to try to get rid of some of those parts that may still be visible if I shake my hair and people may see it. Here's what my hair is looking like once every single flat twist has been removed. It has movement, volume, definition, and moisture, which is highly important for me during this season. Honestly, moisture is just so important for me all year. I typically have very dry hair, so I typically put a lot of effort into making sure my hair gets the moisture that it needs. Now, I told you all that I had a little product residue, and it was definitely more prominent in the front of my head. I decided to neatly push back some of the hair in the front by using a little bit of edge control, which I'm so proud of myself. I have not used edge control in probably over a month or so by now. So I just moved some of that hair back, smoothed it down, and I'm just securing it in place with 2 bobby pins. And I have a nice cute little hairstyle that I can definitely get by with because it's super simple, and it's easy to reapply those bobby pins in the morning, because I am that person that likes to remove bobby pins on a daily basis. Here's what my hair is looking like. I'm absolutely in love with it. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you give it a try, let me know. And of course, I can't wait to see you all in the next video. See ya.